I want to let you in on a little secret that is going to change how you think about SEO and how you go about getting website traffic for your business. Did you know SEO is the cheapest way to get website traffic that lasts and grows your business? It is, my friend. It is the magical powerhouse traffic generator that you may not be using yet, and I need you to use it. Well, I don't need you to use it. You need to use it. I want you to use it because I want you to be able to leverage the power of SEO to drive traffic, which will help you grow your business so that you can achieve your goals and you can make the money that you want to make and you can help serve the people that you want to serve. So why is SEO the cheapest way to get traffic to your website? Because it's free, my friend. There is no cost associated with your search engine optimization. The only thing that you have to do is learn how to do it and learn how to do it right one time. Once you understand how SEO works and you know what to do, it is a rinse and repeat process that will continue to work for years to come. So what I want you to do is to really focus in on learning how to do SEO. Prioritize this. If you keep thinking, I'm going to work on that later, I'm going to tell you right now, your competitor is working on it now. And by the time that you get to later, they will have already beat you because everybody is starting to realize how important SEO is and how much you need to do it. So now is the time to get started. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop waiting until everything is right and just do it. Just get started. It will make a difference. So you're going to learn how to do search engine optimization. That means you're going to learn how to have your website work better with Google so that Google understands your website better, so that Google wants to rank your website higher. So you already know you have to create content on a weekly basis, right? We all know that. But what I need you to do is create content that's optimized, that's targeting a keyword that your website can rank for, so that your content stops going into the black hole on the internet and actually starts getting found by people. Because SEO, your search engine optimization, is actually helping people who are looking for the content that you're creating, my friend. You just need to optimize it so that they can find it. That's the missing piece. But you're going to learn once. You're going to repeat the process with your weekly content. You're going to follow the process that I teach you, and you're going to create new content each week. And each time you create a piece that is optimized, that is targeting a keyword you can rank for, that is helping your ideal customer, it's one more chance for your website to rank at the top of Google, to get found by the right people, and oh yeah, to drive free traffic. I mean, is there anything else you really want other than really great ways to drive free traffic to your website so that you can grow your business? Every single post that you create the way that I teach you to create it is going to be a potential to rank high, get found, and get traffic and make money. This is why SEO is the best and the cheapest way to drive traffic to your website. You only need to learn how to do it once. But if you don't know how to do it yet, that's fine. You're in the right place. That's what I teach. I actually am teaching a live class at the end of the month. I want you to sign up for it and take that. You can find out information about it on the freebies tab on the website, edge2marketing.com/freebies. Go ahead and sign up for that live multi-day class. I'm going to teach you what you need to know to get started. And then we're also going to talk about simple SEO content. So if you've been thinking, I really want to take an SEO class, prepare. It's going to be open for enrollment at the end of September, and then you'll be able to join me and learn how to do all of this one time the right way so that you can get free traffic for years to come.